Hi, I'm Federico from DoDoc. DoDoc is a technology that automatically formats any document. Yes, any of those documents that many of you create, like company reports, scientific papers, or even your kids' high school essays. And for sure, you're among the millions that waste time using this tool to format your documents. That is why we created DoDoc. DoDoc enables users to just focus on the content and write freely. At any time, you can automatically format your contents with just one click. Currently, many individuals and companies pay to get the formatting done so they don't have to worry about it. All of them combined spend 6 billion euros worldwide. We chose scientific publishing as the entry market for DoDoc, which is a 600 million euro segment. And we made this decision for 3 reasons. The number of scientific publications has been growing exponentially. Formatting scientific articles is extremely complex and mission-critical, and other solutions in this field are slow, expensive, and non-automatic. After 6 weeks of releasing our beta version, over 500 professionals have successfully created more than 1,000 scientific articles. Their feedback and surveys report that when compared to competitors, DoDoc saves time, money, and hassle. Together with these features, our business-to-business approach makes our product monetizable in universities, research, and scientific publishing companies. But DoDoc is not just for science. This technology can be easily implemented in other market segments, such as financial and legal services, corporate and government, and other educational levels, which will be our future revenue streams. Our team has the managerial and technical skills to steer the boat in both the entry and future markets. Carlos Boto uses his executive and go-to-market experience to lead the business development. Paulo Melo uses his extensive startup and product development to make DoDoc as beautiful and easy as it is. And myself, Federico Sismondi, use my startup and software experience to develop the structure and the backbone of this amazing product. Why you should consider partnering with us and invest $100,000 in our company? We have the 5 elements that make a startup successful: a knowledgeable team, an attractive market, a disruptive technology, a realistic business model, and above all, we know how to use your investment through a clearly defined roadmap. And we will maximize your investment. Thank you very much.